We come around here and easy access to the eggs. Look at how many eggs! This is crazy. I am a man on a mission today. A few months ago, a muscovy duck, which is a kind of duck, just landed on this plot, which is the plot where I have my Italian house, or where my uncle also has a house, and they just shockingly started to feed her. And so it happened that she stayed here, and then all of a sudden I started to lay eggs. So they had duck eggs to eat. Delicious, really good, daily fresh duck eggs. But all of a sudden, when more people came here, this duck started to go somewhere else, and we couldn't find where. Turned out to be in there. She goes in between those two wells, and when the light is right in there, I can see some feathers, or what looks like feathers. Now there's obstacles here, but today the goal is to easily access the eggs. And where I find my inspiration is in this mess. Now this is all stuff that I have to throw away. Specifically, that furniture. I also found this, which is an old desk that I have to throw away, and it has some of the key components of the structure. And here we go, now we have a set of 3 hinges. We got an assistant out there. At least now we gain access to the site. Let's see her there. So we cut the door now. So we just have to put the hinges and find a way for it to stand, which is the biggest part of it all. That's how to stand. Gesù! Questa l'ho chiappata! Oh, Cristo santo! Ma chi cazzo ce l'ha delle porte così basse? Lo devi dire in inglese. Ah, no, il cazzo. Il cazzo non rende, capito? Il cazzo non rende. Oh. And I'm now screwing the hinges on for what will be a very rudimental door. Now there's one thing I'm afraid of, is that after doing all this work, the duck would move somewhere else. Because we're somehow interfering with her safe place. But hopefully she won't. And here it is. This is going to be the door, and this is just going to close so that the duck is going to feel safe. But otherwise that should be fitting perfectly over there. We should be able to take off these bricks once the ducks comes out, and maybe we're going to have an easy access to the eggs that are going to be exactly on top of the door. So hopefully we solved it. She finally came out. We have to fix out there. Jeez, look at how many eggs. This is crazy. I mean, look at this. Look at these. This is crazy. Oh my god. Oh. Like, this is insane. Oh, so many breakfasts. So now, if we take them all away, she's gonna think that somebody else has come to them. So we're gonna take them, like most of them, away. Just leave a few and put a sign with a marker on it. She's coming back, so we have to do quick. Now we know that those are the old eggs. Now let's put the door on. And here we go. Now we replaced it. We come around here, take this off, and easy access to the eggs. Oh, she's coming, she's coming. This is closed. And she doesn't know that we can take the eggs. There she comes. Hi, Emma. Hi. Go lay some more delicious eggs. Welcome to your new home. Come on, step inside. You can make it. There she goes. Bye, Emma. It's the day after the duck came out. She's a bit afraid of me. Let's go see the egg. Have we gotten any new egg? Oh, she digged them really deep. There are 4. This is the old one. This is a new one. There we have it. Our daily fresh duck egg.
We in this house have also a beaver, but he doesn't help us.